Determine the equation of the two tangents to the circle x squared plus y squared equals to 4, which are perpendicular to another line whose equation is given to us. Also find out the points of contact. Let us begin. So here we will start with the equation of the line that's given to us. So here we are given 12x minus 5y plus 9 equals to 0. We're going to rewrite this equation as y equals to 12 over 5 times x plus 9 over 5. Now the reason why I'm writing in this fashion, because this is the slope-intercept form of a line. So from here we can immediately define the slope of the line. So slope, let's call it m1. So this will be equals to 12 over 5. Now it's given here that this particular line is perpendicular to the tangent line, which is the line tangent to the circle x squared plus y squared equals to 4. So we can find out the slope of the tangent line because we know there's a property of straight line. It states that if two lines are perpendicular to each other, then the product of the slope always equals -1. So let us suppose let the slope of the tangent line be denoted by m2. And now we use the property of the straight line. So product of m1 and m2 will be equals to -1, which means that m2 must be equals to -1 over m1, or simply put, we have m2 equals to -5 over 12. So now we have the slope of the tangent line, and this will be also equal to the other tangent line because the two tangents are going to be parallel to each other. Next, we will use the equation of the circle to find out its radius. So here we have the equation of the circle x squared plus y squared equals to 4, but 4 can be expressed as 2 squared, which means the radius is equals to 2 units. Now the reason why we are finding out the slope and the radius of the circle, because now we can use the formula to find out the equation of the tangent line, and what we'll do here is use the slope form. The slope form of a tangent line is given by the equation y equals to m times x plus or minus the radius r multiplied to 1 plus m squared. Now here we have already defined the value of m. So m is actually m2 with a value -5 over 12. The radius is 2. So that means the equation of the tangents, the two tangents are going to be y equals to -5 over 12 times x plus or minus 2 times square root of 1 plus -5 over 12 whole square. Let's simplify this. We'll get 5x plus 12y plus 26 plus or minus 26 equals to 0. So that's going that is going to be the equation of the two tangents. Now the next goal will be to find out the point of contact. Point of contact, let's call it P, will be given by plus or minus mr divided by square root of 1 plus m squared. So here m is the slope of the tangent line, r is the radius of the circle, and the y coordinate will be given by the radius divided by square root of 1 plus m squared. So if we substitute the value of m with -5 over 12 and the radius with 2, then the point of contact is going to come out as P will be plus or minus 10 over 13, and the y coordinate value will be negative or positive 24 over 13. So we have successfully obtained the equation of the two tangents as well as the point of contact.